Welcome to this extraordinary home in the heart of Plantation Pointe. From the rocking chair front porch to the tranquil backyard oasis including a fire pit, manicured walkways and sections for gardening, playing and just chilling, and you will appreciate all of the amazing details this home provides. You and your guests are welcomed into the expansive two-story foyer that leads into the spacious family room complete with cathedral ceilings, brand new luxury carpet and gorgeous center fireplace. Enjoy cozy mornings or quiet afternoons in front of your second fireplace in the remarkable keeping room off of the kitchen any cook would fall in love with. Oversized owner's suite features double tray ceiling, large walk-in closet and separate walk-in shower and soaking tub. The second floor has two more large bedrooms and an additional room that serves as a bonus room, office, or fourth bedroom. All of this in a swimming pool/tennis